Hello everyone and welcome back to As Good As We Can. Our Sicilian holidays are finished, but we didn't come back without stocking up on Sicilian pistachio. For this reason, today I'm going to prepare with you one of my favorite sweets. It is a tart filled with two very Sicilian ingredients, ricotta cheese and pistachio. So let's see how to prepare our ricotta pistachio tart. I'm going to prepare a chocolate-based dough. For this reason, we are going to use type 00 flour, sugar, very cold butter from the fridge, cocoa powder, baking powder, a bit of vanilla aroma, eggs, and for the filling of our tart, we are going to mix the ricotta cheese with some sugar, and of course, we will top everything with our favorite ingredients, Sicilian pistachio. Cut the butter in pieces and remember, the colder the butter is, the better. Start by adding in the mixer the sugar and the butter. Mix everything until you get the cream. Then add the flour, the cocoa powder, the vanilla aroma and the baking powder. Mix everything and add the eggs at the end. Start with one egg, then add the yolk of the second one, and if you see that the dough doesn't come together, add the remaining egg. The dough is ready when it becomes more solid and doesn't stick to your hands. Take it out from the mixer and after forming a ball, divide the dough into pieces. One part will be the base of our tart and the second part will be the top, the decoration. Stretch the two parts in between layers of baking paper and then put them in the fridge for 30 to 40 minutes. While waiting, prepare the filling of the tart. Mix the ricotta cheese with the sugar and put it in the fridge for the remaining time. So guys, after the time is passed, we are going to stretch our tart dough with the rolling pin and we will need a baking pot exactly for tarts. So let's get started. Now it is time to prepare the base of our tart. press the tip of a fork to the dough. This will help during the cooking time. Being a tart lover, I received from my mom this beautiful tool to perfectly shape tarts. Easy to use and very practical. I will leave you a link for it in the description of the video. Now it is time to put all the ingredients together. Add the ricotta mixed with the sugar to the chocolate dough and then cover it with delicious Sicilian pistacchio. Decorate the top part of the tart . And bake it at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. So guys, after 40 minutes in the oven, the ricotta pistacchio tart is ready. It smells great and I really hope you like this recipe and you will try it. Let me know what you think with a comment below the video, or if you have any questions, just write them down and I will be very happy to answer you. Let me know if you like the video as well, and don't forget to place a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future very tasty recipes. I hope to see you next time. Ciao guys!